Welcome to Sauga Arts HUB, Mississauga's online arts community. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to submit a post. Posts are perfect for sharing calls to artists, job opportunities, open applications, announcements, milestones, or simply written blog posts. Click Login at the top right of the page and enter your email and password. Once logged in, hover over Latest News on the top of the website. Scroll down to the bottom of the list, then click Submit a Post. Next, fill out your post details. Add a post title to describe the post, keeping it short but descriptive. To your post content, add all of your relevant details. This includes any necessary deadlines or external links. For longer posts, we recommend writing them in a word processing document or a notes app and then copying your information into the post content box. Select an appropriate category that best fits your post description. Our team reviews all of the submissions and may adjust your category for better visibility on the website. Don't forget to add your featured image. You can upload a PNG, JPEG, or GIF file under 1 MB. This image will appear as your post's main thumbnail photo across the site. We recommend a roughly square or landscape image. Once you've double-checked your post and are ready for it to go live, hit Submit. And that's it. Once your post is approved, in 1 to 2 business days, it will appear on Sauga Arts HUB in the appropriate category. You can also find all of your published posts under the Post tab on your profile page. If you need to make a change or delete a post, please email info@saugaartshub.com and our team will be happy to help you. Posts that feature artist calls, opportunities, or surveys will also be shared in our Hub Highlights Calls and Opportunities newsletter. We can't wait to see what you share next. If you have any questions, notice a bug, or need any assistance at all, please reach out to us at info@saugaartshub.com. Thanks for being a part of the Sauga Arts Hub community.